Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to the show. Hope you're having a wonderful day today. Hope you all are staying safe, staying in the house and staying healthy. So this is our chart. My portfolio, my Robinhood portfolio. 371, I'll say 89 because it just went down a penny. The market is closed, so the only thing that could have brought it down a penny was Bitcoin, BTC, BTC. Yeah, so everything is in green, but in green relative to their bottoms. That sounds like something else. But yeah, green, but relative to where they came from, not in terms of from coming from the bottom up. They're not at their previous all-time highs, meaning close like it's 50 some dollars. AT&T was at $38, and Verizon, of course, was higher, but relative to where they came from. So visually speaking, the everything is in green, but this is the fourth month of the year. As you all know, I was putting $100 into this every month, and this portfolio should be at least $400 if the market had not gone down. So what we're gonna do is click on all right here, good buddy. Let me start talking like that. And yeah, this was the peak in March. This was when I had about $300 in there, and the relative to these few bottoms down here. Yeah, relative to. Yeah, that is the portfolio. I did receive a dividend from Coca-Cola April 2nd. We receive your no. I'm tripping. Here we go. Right, April 2nd. That was February. Wow. Whoa. Because you own 2 shares of KO Coca-Cola on 3/13, which is the ex-dividend date. The ex-dividend date is actually let me spell it out because I know sometimes some people may not understand what I'm saying. That's how you say ex-dividend. Ex-dividend date is basically the ex-dividend date of a stock is the date on which the stock begins trading without the subsequent dividend. No. The ex-dividend date is the date in which you must hold the stock before a dividend is paid out. So if you hold the stock on or before an ex-dividend date, then when that company, such as Coca-Cola, pays out their dividend, you'll get paid. That's it. And because I own 2 shares, I got paid 82 cents. And you know, Coca-Cola pays quarterly, so 4 times a year. And 1 share is worth, for every share you get, 41 cents, because 82 divided by 2 is 41. So we get 82 cents. And what is our spending power? So our spending power should be about 182 cents in some odd like that. Because we didn't spend it. We didn't spend we didn't at the beginning of the month we didn't purchase, well, I didn't, I gotta stop saying we. I didn't purchase any stocks because I think this thing is gonna go lower. Spending power, well, buying power, $100 and 82 cents. Boom. Look at that. Yee, woohoo. Roger that. But the market is in the situation it is now. Excuse me. And it's not. It's looking better, but you know, it's pretty bad. No one's working. No one's not worried about buying stock. But this information is still good information. So when you do get income, you know what to do. It's still good to listen to the information. No one's working. Stores are closing. Businesses are going out of business. Stores are going out of business. It's 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 not a good situation for a lot of people. And I understand that, and I don't want to be on here flaunting cash, because when I started this, I didn't know this was going to happen. I started this in January. See, let's go to all. Let's go to all. Where's all? There we go. Start this thing in January, which is January 2nd of 2020. It was supposed to be, new decade, new year, new decade, and something to change yourself with. Well, help you all change what I invest. But I was going to help you all show someone who does it and say, well, it's not that hard to do. But then things started to, you know, actually, I'm saying about right here, February 20th, 23rd, things started to get a little shaky. So I'm I'm not on here flaunting saying I got 300 something dollars. No, that's not the case. But the information is still solid. As far as where I think the market is going to go, I think the market is going to go down more. Now, mind you, I want you to understand the stock market has nothing to do with the economy. Well, it's separate from the economy. Just because stocks go down doesn't mean you get fired. In any other situation, take 2008. Just because stocks go down doesn't necessarily mean the economy is crap. The believe it or not, the stock market is different. It does has difference than the economy. If the economy is down, that's not. If the economy is up, the stock market can be down, and vice versa. But that can't happen. I know I'm saying that poorly. Just know that I still put $100 in here, hence the buying power of $100.82. I did not purchase any stocks only because I know. Well, I don't know. I'm not. I don't see into the future. I only think this thing is going to go down more, which means I can get more shares at a cheaper cost. Far as how much this market is going to go down at each individual stock, I don't know. Just as I don't know that it will at 100% for certainty go down, but per technical analysis, analysts that I listen to and I say trust, they're all in agreement. So at the same time, this is a market opportunity. If this market hasn't even gone down, AT&T would still be $30, $40. Because it's gone down, you could buy it cheaper. Do you think AT&T is going somewhere? Do you think Verizon is going somewhere? Verizon may get down to $30. Verizon, we bought Verizon, well, I bought Verizon at, let's say it here, $58. Yeah, $58. So it's a 90, 80 cent sale, but hopefully you understand what I'm saying. Some things are going to go down, but you have to understand things down. Yeah, it's painful, but the ride up is much longer than the ride down to the bottom. The ride down to the bottom is very fast and swift. The ride up is it's very long, very, very long, years, multiple years. So I didn't want to make this video too long. It's more of a conversation to let you all know, yes, things are bad, and I understand that. I truly do understand that things are bad. Things look bleak, grim. You all may be affected by directly, indirectly, apparently indirectly. Some people may be more affected by this COVID-19 that's going around than others. But let's regroup. Let's regroup. I'm here to let you know that yeah, things will get not worse. It get worse for some people depending on the situation they're in. but we can all say things will get bad, but just know things will also, the good times is more than the bad times. And especially if we set ourselves up if we set ourselves up now, we'll have more good times than bad. And that's what this channel is for, setting ourselves up for the long term. And yeah, planting a tree now so we can sit up under it later. That's what I was thinking about. Hope you all get your stimulus check if you all get one. It's $1,200. I know there's talk of a second round of stimulus checks. I don't know how well if that will come to, but yeah, just know that they're sending out at least one round of stimulus checks. And yeah, like I said, these videos are more of a discussion type. I really would like for you all to leave a comment down below if you all want me to go over something. If you're fuzzy on something, I don't mind. Teaching helps me also. So hope y'all have a Hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day. Hope you all stay healthy, stay safe. Stay safe, stay healthy. Stay healthy, stay safe. Just lighten the mood, help, some type of laughter. Try not to look at fear porn a lot, meaning CNBC, MSNBC all the time. Look at some comedy. It not only does it help you get your mind off of it, but it helps you give you clarity also. Think more clear instead of thinking on a more frightening level. It helps you think more on a logical level. Yeah, look at some comedy. Or look at some '80s movies. Now that I looked at Bloodsport the other day, but anyway, I don't want to make this too long. But yeah, hope y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell for some good videos. And with that said, I will check you guys on the next one. All right now, peace.